Today I bring you to Rising Sun, Indiana. I bring you to some sunflowers, man. That's right. The property owner here is nice enough to let people come for at least the next 10 days and get some pictures, I reckon videos like I'm doing now, of their sunflowers. They just ask one thing: be very, very truthful to their property. And we're going to definitely do that today. But there is one thing I gotta tell you. I gotta tell you guys, the weather broke. That's right. It is a beautiful, nice 82 degree day with about 56% humidity. It's beautiful. I'm gonna shoot the sunflowers on my big camera. We have to put music to it because it's also windy. Then we're gonna shoot some on the GoPro. Guys, let's not waste no more time. Let's get this shooting. GoPro. Isn't these sunflowers something else, y'all? Oh my word. Now let me show you what I'm next to. Yeah, we're on a busy road, so you're gonna hear a lot of cars going by. Now, my microphone mod for my GoPro should be blocking most of this wind. Unlike my big camera, it fights the wind, but wow. We're gonna get more shots with the GoPro. We probably won't put no music to any more shots, but we'll get some shots with the GoPro as we go down. This should be quite spectacular. Get up close and personal. I did this with the other camera. Let's hope them shots come out. Oh, there's a bee in this one, look. Oh yeah, he's in there doing his, oh, he flew away. Sorry if I disturbed you, bee. He's in there doing his job, collecting the nectar. Now, you're allowed to pick some of these, they said. Here's another bee. Oh, yeah. There he goes. Yeah. Don't worry about my camera. It's not going to hurt you. Now, you're allowed to basically pick or cut some of these sunflowers, but they want you to do it from the middle because they don't want the view of it from the ongoing traffic. Like you see here, they want it to look beautiful as you're going down the road. So they want what you see right yonder here all to stand out, obviously, and I don't blame them. So that's why they want you to pick from back there. Angie's got Kitt right now, and of course he's somewhat pulling her because he's nervous. I'm a little nervous to have Kitt right here. By some chance that leash breaks, my fear he could go out on the road. Hey, traffic stopped. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're going to try to get a really good shot. I hope I can pull it off. I guess, I don't know, maybe right here might be the best way. I don't know. Maybe I might do it when I get down further. As I was able to walk into the sunflowers a little bit. They got a chair, right? They got a little path going in. I'll show you in a minute. They got a chair going in there for the professional photographers to take people's pictures. Yeah. And I might be able to go in there. That way I could kind of be a little surrounded, and then I will I will extend my selfie stick as high as it'll go and try to get a really cool shot. At least this is what the plan's going to be, y'all. But until then, let's get close and personal as we walk down. Here we go. Oh, there's another bee. Hello, bee.
Just doing what bees do.
These things are loaded with bees. Whoops, I almost tripped. All right, people's coming. So, I see you guys at the other end. All right, here's this little opening I was telling you guys about. Whoop, be careful, Michael, don't trip in here. And she got this right here, which I might stand on that. I did when I filmed with the other camera. Then you got this little chair right here to take professional pictures. I asked Angie if she wants to sit there and I get her. All right, guys, we're gonna try to extend this out and try to get a really good shot. I hope that shot worked out. I still got it extended out, y'all. But I'm gonna slowly walk out of here and try not to trip. But guys, this is Rising Sun, Indiana. And the folks here that are letting us on their property to do this, that is outstanding. You can also leave donations. The donations go to help the local school. They help the local school out, the children. I think it's for a good cause too. I just can't remember what the cause was, but here you go, guys. Oh my word, if this isn't something else, look at that. Holy smokes, it's so beautiful. Oh, I got the black tulips some months ago. Now today, I get the sunflowers. Here's this little box right here I was telling you about. Here's the donation box right here. We went ahead and put a dollar bill in. I wish we could afford more, but yeah, we can't. Oh, I'm gonna you know what? I should try to extend this again. I want you guys to see the hillsides behind the sunflowers, how beautiful this is. All right, guys, we're going up, up, and up. There you go. Well, there you guys got it. That is today's filming adventure. From here, I'm headed to somewhere and hopefully be able to get a fishing trip. You will possibly see that in the next video if it happens. We don't know yet. But I'll give a little bit more of these sunflowers because I just now noticed something else. And then we'll call her quits. Yep, you can see the hillside much better from here. I should have shot that from here. We come through Rising Sun a lot, actually, and we see this hillside. We always want to get a beautiful picture. Now we got it today. But here we go. Yep, there's the one part of the sunflowers. Well, that's where they end. And then they got a field with their crops in it. And I'm not going to get over there because that'd be their farmhouse and stuff. But here we go. Angie's getting pictures. And Kitt's like, hell, I want to go on an adventure, Dad. Well, you're getting ready to. Possibly a fishing venture, yeah. Well, guys, get ready to put some miles on and head out. And it may be all for nothing because I've been trying to fish at a certain place. You know what? I say that for the next video. Yeah. You want to know where I've been trying to fish for the longest time? Watch the next video. Until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. And by the way, if you live close to Rising Sun, Indiana, pay this place a visit. But be very respectful of the property. Until then, I'm out of here.